I'll never get any tattoos removed. I'll be getting more tattoos. I'll get tattoos on top of tattoos when I can't.
Every day I'm down. What about you? I hang on the block, body full of tattoos. Every day I'm down. What about you? I hang on the block, body full of tattoos. Every day I'm down.
Okay.
What about you? I hang on the block, body full of tattoos. Every day I'm down. What about you? I hang on the block, body full of tattoos.
Who is it? The gun spitter, young home run hitter. Moet sipper, hit you with the flow like Biggie. King of this rap shit, out the park like Griffey. I make my guns out of the park, come get me. The Desert Eagles make a nigga move like Missy. I'm always in the Bentley, how the fuck could you miss me? I'm always on the charts, I know why you niggas diss me. Cause Black Wall Street getting deeper than the 60s. Them boys in the hood will lay you down like Ricky. So run, catch them hollow tips like a frisbee. I pitch cocaine like Frank Lucas. Niggas talk that American gangster shit but can't do it. I put these whack rap niggas in a scope and blow. Cause I promised the homie Cam I will hold his brother down. I'm more focused now, I'm like the golden child. Put both of your hands out, I let you hold my style.
What about you? I hang on the block, body full of tattoos. Every day I'm down. What about you? I hang on the block, body full of tattoos. Every day I'm down. What about you? I hang on the block, body full of tattoos. Every day I'm down. What about you? I hang on the block, body full of tattoos.
Got my down south girl, do the stanky leg. A nigga at the stove, look like he making eggs. I got a whole load, so I be breaking bread. And getting so ill, the doctor got me taking meds. Push IVs, I drink till I think that I'm about to grow up. Then the nurse bring another bottle to pull up.